Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. I can't wait to present you the new license of Leopard Kung Fu, the license 2. So you know, Leopard Kung Fu, one of very fast of animal style of Kung Fu, the speeds, right? The hand, how you make. So your finger opens and slowly together and bend your fingers like this and you suck in like this, so you can use attack by straight, a single attack like this way, and then you can attack by this part of your hand, and also you can go back to this way and you can block with this way, and also you can crossing and grabbing and tripping. Alright, so now follow me step by step with the details to achieve the license 2 of Leopard Kung Fu. So let's start the last move of the last lesson. So you make high stance and then you both hands become leopard hand like this. So right hand on top and left hand just right elbow in this part. And the move, so you go 1, 2, 3, yeah, don't worry, I do a little bit quick. I just want you to know how that use it like full speed. Now we do slower and you can get this. So right hand right here, so your left hand to make a circle. Go up and right hand from top and become fist. Then you twist knee with big power. So you go like a hammer fist. So you go step very strong. And this one is 摘拳. Your hand from top and twist. Go this way. So this one, if someone punches you, you can really just go on top and push down and you attack by next move. So follow me now. After this, your left hand and make a big circle, you twist your left toes and knee higher, make that big power, stay low. So you go dropping the arm. And after this, your right hand from inside back and come back, attack by this way. So your toe up, this is another stance, like a high empty stance. But the difference is your heel down and your toe up like this. So this is the same pattern. So you go 1, 1, got shoot. So quick, and we see your punch. So this is a circle punch. Right hand to go back and come back this way, and the power out right this part of your fist. So the knuckles is to attack right this part. So you got this. So you go right, and after this, you both hand after this become fist. Come back your wrist. You make big strong steps. Your toe go 45 and you make a step with a double fist, and your both stance is right here. So you already know from other lesson the both stance, you go flat and you go big power back knee straight with all power in your fist. So many beginners ask me, hey Sifu, you do too fast, how I can get the speed? So now I tell you how to get the speed. So from the move number 1, you got to do 1 like a robot, 2 and the step by step. Go 1, 2. So that is already is faster speed. So you need to do quicker and quicker training. Relax your shoulder, all power out your palm and your hand. You go 1, 2. So that's the first move. And you go 1, 2, straight. You go down with the second move. And you repeat 1, 2, straight. And you go 1, 2, straight. So you can get the speed with move by move and training repeatedly. You will get the speed and power. Feels great, right? So you go 1, 2. And same thing, you go 1 and 2. Like Tai Chi. Slow, take time, patience. And after this, you go 1, 2. Then you go faster. And put in imagination and your intention why you're doing this move. Once you go this, you twist your waist like this, and you come back with your face, but with the speed. You can imagine someone is coming that way, opponent is coming, so you go, and you want to really punch right there. So the speed will be coming. Your both hand come back, same time, and with your power. Always remember, so Kung Fu and Wushu, everything will become one when you do a move. Like you do the punch, so your feet at the same time. At the same time, this is the move 2. You gotta step with your hand at the same time, and same thing with this. The same time, you're landing with big step, with a big power. So everything become one. Your stance, your feet, your head, your eye, even your mind stays sharp and focused. So after this, you got a face up. So this move is grabbing and you go tripping and then come back full attack. So let's using this. Someone attack you, you go grabbing and twist and you go trip and come back. You go attack by this part and also this part. So this both hand also can be attack right here. And then you go grabbing and you go through it. Already you know the intention how to use it, this movement. Let's just say how the feet work. So you after this. So your both hand actually to grabbing, you twist your both hand like small circle grabbing, and both hand you go pull back your waist. Same time your feet go this way. You trip, pull the arm and trip the leg, and you quick steps, and your both hand from your right hand, swing your right side of your waist, and you go boom to attack. So remember, this two hand is just small and straightforward. So attack by this side and this hand with this side. So you go both, and go you both hand go back and go trip, just like before one. And repeatedly, you go right here and you land your feet. Your both arm go back from top and you go boom straight down. This is when you go grabbing. You shoot this side and you kick your right. You go the tripping. Same time. You go shoot, relax from top 45 and you go 45 down. Go this way. So your waist does the most work, and also very important your toes go 45 this way, 45 this way, because you gotta have bigger rings. You see you're landing this way, and then you trip under you're landing this way, because your body has to rotate. So you allow the body rotate. You have to go this way, not this way, because you cannot rotate. You go right this way. Your toe had to go the other side. So in the second part for form, we have 2 times to go take down and also 2 times trip. So let's put this together. How to get this all together can give as much speed and power as well. So you cut from here, so you go you go So very important in this part, you say small and fast. This you got to go the trick and come back, and this is a big move 45, and then you make a big swing for the second part. After this, you right hand come back to the left, is grabbing and blocking this side, and you twist and you go attack the other side. Your body lean back. Your opponent is been right that way, and you both hand crossing and you go down. Stance. So this stance is not horse stance, but you can make this as horse stance. Then you make a little bigger and you just twist a little bit head like this. So the first part of your movement is for blocking, like you go blocking, and second part, this is for attack. So you go so after the big swing, and you got quick to change your steps. So why we need a quick to change the steps? Because you adjust the distance, attack back with your opponent. After the swing, if I'm too close to the bar, I will quick change this distance, I will attack back. If I go here, I cannot apply my movement quick. Step back, I go boom, attack. And for this move, your both waist are slightly to move left to right. This is a big circle to blocking back, I go attack. Right there. And after that, you both hand crossing, go up, stay tall you can, and you go the Leopard hand. Okay, great work, my friend. So follow me step by step to do one last time with the count. 1, left hand up, become fist, you lift, you go down, and you circle pass, go back and attack. After this, you make a big step, both hand back to waist, and you attack straight. After this, you both hand cross to grabbing, and you go kick and attack. And you step your right at the same time, you go grabbing back, and then you trip, you step both hand. You step your both hand, go back. You quick switching your steps, you big circle, and you go attack. And you go straight across your both hand, and go down with your semi horse stance, Leopard hand. Alright, so it feels so great to do this radio with you. I feel so exciting, even outside it's a little bit cold. For beginners, again,
You have to training repeatedly with the right technique, and you will be get more power and speed each time you training. Set your personal goal each time you come here. You training, so you will be better. And I see you in next video. And thank you very much. And bye bye.